What's up, guys? Welcome back to amazing adventure here on the Kimichi Robo fan channel. Tonight we're out catching the DQE with my buddy Marshall. They're right there. We almost had to hurry and get this thing recording. All right, there they are on the hot rails of the DQE. Let's go! We got a mind of our own.
We got some ditch line action here.
Exactly. Look at that line of traffic. Look at the off to Valiant, Oklahoma. Peace. And we're gonna go catch them in Golden. Alrighty guys, we're in Golden here. We got 2 tracks on, we got the railroad crossing, and they are right there. Yep. Yeah.
Oh wait, there's more live action. We're in Golden, Oklahoma right now. We're west of Broken Bow and east of Broken Bow, and we're east of Valiant and Glover, and right now it's getting down in the 30s. Right now it's 40. Right now it's 10:49, 10:49, and we're in here. And we got some more big flat action here. I haven't got a name yet for D30, so that might be the next one. But pretty cool, we got the big flat action here on the SP40-2. Sorry, GP40-2. Sorry. So here in the eastern part of Oklahoma and Arkansas, these are the only 2 ditch slide engines that are found here in Oklahoma and Arkansas. The Kennedy Railroad has an SP40-2, known as 3218, and that SP40 has ditch slide action, and then also on the DQE Eastern Railroad that runs to Valiant to back to DQE and they got ditch slide action on a 40.
at least 50. The Valiant, and I'll see you guys in the next video here on the DQE. DQE Freddy. See you all in the next one. My buddy, indeed.
Letting them take 30 out to the leader to go to diet. So it's pretty cool. So I thank y'all for watching. I'll see you next time. So hopefully in the morning that we might catch a Kiyomichi unit to run in the daytime for you to go to school. And that'd be pretty cool to see. So we're here in Golden, Oklahoma, and right now it's a pretty sky. Right now temperature dropping into the 30s.
Exactly.
So we're gonna end this. We're gonna end our videos, and we'll see you later. Share, like, comment, subscribe. Tell me if you like the blue trains. The blue girls that Patriot Rail has done for the Queen Eastern Railroad.
I like the ditch lights. Those were pretty cool.
Yeah, I'd agree. I do like the ditch lights. So we're about to end our videos.
So we can go home and get some sleep for the morning.
Yeah, that's right. And now our moms are with us tonight, and they
Yeah.
We really don't like them getting their. We like them to get their beauty sleep, so to speak. so if you got moms out there, don't stay too long out there rail fanning. So always go always go to bed. So that way you get up in the morning. So
Yep.
So there goes Richard and Michael. They're heading westbound. I hear coyotes in the background, and man, we're gonna head out of here, and we're gonna head the quickest way to get out of here without tearing up the car. Alrighty, share, like, comment, subscribe. And they're running on Thursday, so by sometime tonight they'll be running on a Friday night at 5 o'clock in the morning. So see you later. Like, share, comment, subscribe. We'll see you later. Marsh now, thanks for watching, and Josh
Peace.
out here. So peace.
Peace out.